Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back today. Yes. In the additional of today's newspaper on a Thursday, September the 15th, 2022. In this additional, I've already solved 3 puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, the binary, and now it's time for the Tectonic. Tectonic with 4 stars. Yes. Tectonic with 4 stars. And this will be number, I believe, 5181. Alright, 5181. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 17 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, 10 printed digits. This one has twice as much, 17. So, should be an easy one. Well, you cannot tell, but for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, for 30 minutes or more. So, is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So, let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there a single box is always a 1. Here 1, there 1. Do we have here in this puzzle dual boxes? I see here 1 dual box contains the 1 and the 2. I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. More dual boxes? No. Only 1 dual box. Do we have here triple boxes then? Let me scan. No triple boxes. Quadra boxes then. Scan. No quadra boxes. Oh well, here we have a quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Need more information. Then my next strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, we have here the S or the Z. If you flip this, you will get the Z. The Z construction, let me draw this here. When you see the Z construction, or the S construction, remember that this box, oh wait, let me do this in red. This box has the same name as that box. Okay, so this box has the same name as that box. But also, that box has the same name as this box. So, that box has the same name as this box. Okay. Then, we have only one S construction. How about this shape? Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of a shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Let me scan the puzzle here. Another one, but rotated. So this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 4. Alright, it's a 4. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shapes? No. And I believe those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Only 3 we have them. So maximum are 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 3 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Cannot be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. This box can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 here. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So this box can be 1, that box can be 1. So the 1, a cube here, a cube there. Alright, these two boxes can be a 1, that box can be a 1. So one box left for the 1 in this area, should be there. These two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright, these two boxes can be a 4. So the 4, a could be here, a could be there. Okay. This box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Okay. Then these two boxes. Oh wait, these are 3 boxes. Surround the 2 can be a 2. Those 2 boxes can be a 2. So one box left for the 2 should be there. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 2 can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So one box left for the 2 should be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So one box left for the 2 in this quarter box should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. If I place the 2 here, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2, but we already have a 2 there, so it's not a solution to place the 2 there. The 2 is supposed to be here. Alright. This box can be a 2, that box can be a 2, and this box can be a 2. So one box left for the 2 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be there. Well, I cannot place the 2 there, because if I place the 2 here, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2, but we already have a 2 here in this area. So it's not a solution to place the 2 there. The 2 is supposed to be here. Alright. Okay, then, let me see. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in this area should be here. Okay, these are 3 boxes. Surround the 1 can be a 1. So one box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So one box left for the 3 in this area should be there. Right. 4. Let me think. Come on. Let's take it too long. 4. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 2, but also that box can be a 2. So one box left for the 2 in this area should be there. This box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this quarter box for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, okay. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, come on. This can be a 1. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that box can't be a 1 anymore, because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not a solution to place the 1 there. The 1 is supposed to be here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. We have the 1 there, okay. So now these 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. Think. Well, it's not quite easy. This box can be a 2, because we have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, that means we have a double 2 there. I cannot place a 2 here. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 is supposed to be here, and 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Okay, these 2 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be 2. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 5. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Here also 2 numbers left, the 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. Okay. This box can be a 4, so the 4 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. This box should be a 5, and 1 box left in this area for number 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 5. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape. 4 numbers, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5, it goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there. I think this box should be 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 3. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 3. I think this box should be 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left, the 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 now, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And a 5 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 4. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 5 goes there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. No 1 goes there. Then these 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this Z or the S construction should be there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. Well, let me mark those 1 and the 4, and this box is connected with that box, should be also the 1 and the 4. Here also the 1 and the 4 are left in this Z or S construction as a pair. 1 and the 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also 4. 1 box left in this area for the number 1. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 1 box left in this area for number 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 it goes there. All right. And then these 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 5 is supposed to be here. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there, and I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there, and 1 box left in this area for number 5. Finish in 14 minutes. Told you, cannot be a 4 stars. So it's easy to solve this puzzle. And is this really 4 stars? No. Is this really a 3 stars? No. No 2 stars. I'm faster than 50 minutes, so it's definitely a 1 star. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlist for the letter Sudoku, and also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus. Playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, the samurai Sudokus, all kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Thursday. We will meet again tomorrow on Friday, almost weekend. Until then, bye bye for now.